Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. So let's talk about YouTube monetization update. Yes, YouTube has updated their terms of services again, and it's kind of interesting now. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's focus on this update and especially the one point. And we should be used to these platforms changing terms of services and rules, the Facebooks and Instagram and YouTube. It happens a lot, but this is pretty big on YouTube. So here is the change that everyone is talking about. I'm getting a lot of questions. People are asking, should we create YouTube channels? Should we move away because of this change? And the change is going to be after November 18th, which was actually yesterday. YouTube could monetize some of your content even if you are not in the YouTube partner program. Meaning, so you probably, for small creators or new YouTube channels, so maybe you do not have the 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch time hours and you're not really monetizing your content, meaning you're not making any money. In the past, YouTube was not running ads on them, but now look at this. YouTube has the right to monetize all content on the platform, and ads may appear on videos from channels not in the YouTube partner program. You know what that means, right? So that means YouTube could be potentially making money from your videos and you're not getting anything from it. So yeah, it looks not cool. It looks really interesting, and on principle it looks wrong. But here's some of my initial thoughts. Here are a couple of reasons why I personally do feel that as content creators and as business owners, we should not just go away from YouTube as a platform because of this change. And a couple of things that come to mind. YouTube has massive distribution. So they have 15 years of video content, and there are millions and millions of people use this platform every single day. And you can still create content with the right strategy to attract the right people to your channel and grow your business, right? That's not going away, right? And another thing that comes to mind is, so these are the videos that we were not getting paid anyways. If our channel is not monetized, we have not hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, we're not making money anyways. So that's what YouTube is doing. They are gonna potentially put, and who knows, you know, how many videos they might put the ads on, 50%, all of them, I don't know. I guess as this change evolves, or as I see more updates or the impact actually on my channel, like monetized channels and also the small channels, I'll probably create an update of this video and talk more and give you guys more update. But for now, I do think it kind of stinks as a content creator, especially small content creator. It stinks that they're gonna make money from my videos and I'm not getting anything from it, right? But I do think as content creator, we should not abandon and go away from YouTube as a channel. We should still create content on this platform and build our brand, attract the audience to it. But there's a huge but. And I always say this because we do not control these platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikToks, LinkedIn. We're building a house on rented land, which is not a good idea, right? So do think of a strategy, not just a YouTube channel growth strategy, but how do you grow your business strategy? Meaning, as you are growing your subscribers and views on YouTube, which is all good, you should absolutely do that in my opinion, but you should also have another strategy, a parallel strategy to take those subscribers, take the community that you're building, and then maybe do lead generation, capture their emails, or bring them closer to you so you can easily do business with them. Yes. So you should not be relying, no one should be, including myself, we should not be relying totally on these platforms. This change is interesting and I'm surprised, but then I've seen many changes on Facebook. So Facebook organic reach was really high, and then all of a sudden one day was gone, right? So a lot of people were forced to use ads. So to summarize, I think we'll see how this change impacts the monetized channel, because there could be impact on monetized channels too. and also the new channels and see how this goes. But I do think that because of this change, it does stink. Personally, I don't like it, but I think there's still an opportunity for new creators to build their brand, create content, build a community, but don't just leave the community there. Also generate leads from it and generate sales and move people into your funnel, move people from YouTube to your email list. If you have any questions, leave those below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.